This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over the keys of E flat major and C minor. Those are relative keys that have three flats in the key signature: B flat, E flat, and A flat. After I've gone over those keys, we will play the E flat major scale and the C minor scale in first position. So that's what we're going to be working on in this video, and that will prepare us so we can play some melodies together in the key of E flat major, which we'll do in the next couple videos. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 17 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're starting on page 109 as we begin with the E flat major scale. We're going to be on pages 109, 110, and 111, playing those scale exercises there, numbers 1 through 8. All right, so let's take a look at the key of E flat major. So E flat major has three flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat. We see that in the key signature, and we know those notes are going to be flatted through the entire song anytime we run into them in any of the octaves that they exist in, unless of course we have an accidental telling us otherwise. So on the guitar, we've got the two B flats that we play in first position, we've got two E flats that we play in first position, and we've got three A flats that we can play in first position. B, E, and A are all on open strings. We also have some that aren't on open strings, but for the open string ones, we go down to the string that's just lower than that string, and we go to the 4th fret. That's generally what we do. But when it comes to that open B string, that second string, we go down to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string instead of the 4th fret. So let's look at each of these individually. So we start with B flat. We have a B natural at the 2nd fret on the 5th string, so B flat's at the 1st fret on the 5th string, and then for that open B that's at the 2nd fret, the second is on the 2nd string, the open 2nd string, we go down to that 3rd fret of the 3rd string, so we get the B flat there. 3rd fret of the 3rd string with that one. So those are the two B flat notes that we have. For E flat, of course, that low 6th string, we can't play an E flat with just 6 strings because we got the open E, we can't go any lower. But for the other two, we have a natural E at that 2nd fret of the 4th string, so now we're down to E flat at the 1st fret of the 4th string, and then we have the open E string that's that top string, we go down to the 4th fret of the 2nd string for E flat there. And then for the A flat, we have 3 of them. So our open A string, the open 5th string, goes down to the 4th fret of the 6th string for A flat. We got the A note that sits at the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, we go down to the 1st fret on that string, and then we have the A that sits at the 5th fret on the top string, and for A flat we're down to the 4th fret for that one. So everything is 1 fret lower than the natural note, and then for those open strings we go down to the 4th fret on the string that's just lower than it, except for that B note. This is in the middle of the staff. For that one we go down to the 3rd fret instead. So when playing an E flat major scale, we're going to start on the lowest E flat note that we have that's possible. So we got our 1st fret there on the 4th string, that's where our E flat is. We'll play all the way up to the A flat note, which is the 4th fret of the top string. We play all the way down to the F, so we descend, then we come back to E flat. We're going to start off by doing this 4 plucks per note, working on that alternate picking just like we've been doing. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We go all the way through as shown there, number 1 on page 109. Then we're going to do 3 plucks per note: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Of course, with 3 plucks per note, there's 2 different ways you can pluck. You can keep the down and up alternate picking happening the whole time, or you can do down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. They both have their values, so it's good practicing them with both. As I'm playing with you on the scale, I'm just going to continue the alteration, but you could practice with both. On page 110, as we go there, we get 2 plucks per note, and then we get 1 pluck per note. Of course, with all of these as shown, we want to work on that alternate picking. There on page 109, you will see a diagram that shows you where the notes of that scale are. So that's E flat. Of course, C minor has the same exact notes, only we're going to start on the C. That's on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. We'll play all the way up to A flat. We'll come down to the F and come back to C. That's how you'll see that done there. And then, as you'll see with number 5, we'll start with 4 plucks per note, then 3 plucks per note, 2 plucks per note, and 1 pluck per note. We've done all this sort of thing before, so I'm just kind of taking us through that explanation kind of quickly. We're going to go ahead now, though, and practice these scales together. Each one's going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. We get to practice each one right along with the drums, which is super, super fun and helpful as it helps us keep a nice, even tempo. We don't get ahead of ourselves or slowed down. So let's go ahead and play these scales together. Okay, awesome. Now that we've got the scales down, it's time to start playing some melodies together. So in the next 2 videos, we're going to play the melodies that are found with Lesson 17 in the note reading book. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.